Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into Polymarket. Depositing is actually pretty straightforward. First, go to the Polymarket website and either create an account or sign in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit button and click on it. You'll see a few options for adding funds. You can deposit crypto, connect an exchange, or even use a card. Just choose the method that works best for you. For this example, I'll be depositing crypto, since it's usually the fastest. Now select the token and network you want to use. I'm using Polygon, so I'll choose that for both the token and the chain. You'll be given a unique deposit address and shown the minimum deposit amount required. Just copy the deposit address, then open your crypto wallet, like Phantom, Coinbase, Binance, or whichever one you use. Start a new transfer, choose the same token and network you picked on Polymarket, and paste in the deposit address. Make sure the token and network match exactly to avoid any issues. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check the details, and confirm the transaction. After a few minutes, your deposit should show up in your Polymarket account. The processing time can vary depending on the network. And that's it. Now you can use your funds on Polymarket. If you'd prefer, you can also use a card or connect an exchange. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.